Secret Santa? Whose idea was that?
What do you have against Secret Santa?
You know that means we only get one present, right?
Yes, I know, and it's the season of giving, Sophie, not getting.
What's the point of having a bunch of friends if you're only gonna get one present? Wait, is your stocking bigger than mine?
Secret Santa's a good idea. Everybody saves money, and everybody gets a really nice gift. And think about how much time you save only having to shop for one person.
Yep, your stocking is definitely larger.
Sophie, you can have my stocking.
But what if we get someone who isn't exactly on our best friends list?
You got Anna, didn't you?
Yes! And it's not fair. You want to trade?
Nope. And good luck with your shopping.
Aww.
Sophia, Darbie, I want you to be nice to Anna. I've invited your cousins to the party.
Mom!
It looks like their parents won't be home in time from their tour. So I said they could spend the holidays with us. We are family after all. And Sophie, why are you still in your pajamas? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Chloe's still in her PJs too.
I'm dressed. Now who's ready to go shopping?
Typical. Gabby, I need you to take me to the mall.
Just a second, Anna. Why are you in such a rush anyway?
We're doing this Secret Santa thing, and I gotta get a present for Naveen.
Oh, you got Naveen?
No, but I will.
Anna, I don't think you understand how Secret Santa works.
All I know is that Naveen is a prince, and it would be a disgrace for me to buy a present for anyone that was less than royalty.
Oh boy. All right, girls, meet me back here in about 2 hours.
What store should we go to first?
How about the boutique? There's gotta be something for Anna in there.
Hey, Chloe, who do you have?
I'm not telling you. Hello, Secret Santa.
Oh, come on! Trade with me!
Hey, come! It looks like we are headed in the same direction. Yeah, I gotta go shopping for clothes and stuff. Secret Santa? Yeah. Let me guess. Chloe? Yeah. Sophie? Yeah. Look, the girls are right over there. And I have an idea. We can follow them to see what they like, and then buy it as the present. I'm not gonna pretend that doesn't sound weird, but it will get the job done. We must be incognito and walk like this. Nah, I'm not doing that.
Where is Tamara? It is not like her to be late. I'm here. Sorry. Tam, are you okay? Usually you're like 15 minutes early. I know. I'm just working on some time management issues, but don't worry. I'll have it all sorted out and it won't happen again.
Okay, relax. You can take the customers out in the front and I'll head over to the dressing room.
Front. Got it.
There's gotta be something in here that Anna would like a golden water bottle, diamond-encrusted tennis shoes.
Well, while you figure that out, I'm heading over to the toy section.
Toys, huh? Chloe must be my Secret Santa.
She's so lucky to have me. I'm an easy person to shop for. Anna, on the other hand, you look like you could use some assistance.
Yes, I can.
Do you have anything fancy, yet inexpensive? Well, we do have these new faux fur coats. They're a big hit this season.
Ooh, fur. So fluffy. Ooh, yeah, I could get used to this.
But I don't think I have enough. Do you have anything else, like fur socks? Let me check.
This is too much work.
Sophie, I thought that was you. I could hear your belly aching on the other side of the store.
Sorry, I have to buy a present for the Secret Santa thing, and it's just taking longer than I thought.
Giving a gift shouldn't be a chore. Just think about that person and give them a gift that will be special to them.
Now you're asking me to think. Oh dear, you look like you could use a break.
Why don't we meet at Star Frogs and have a latte? I'll meet you there in a few minutes. I have to go pick up my Secret Santa gift. Okay, let me just go grab Chloe.
Kim, Over here, quick! Dude, you are terrible at this spy stuff. I think we should buy the girls fur coats. Yeah, okay, sure. And then we can be done, right?
Did somebody say fur coats?
You know, I am not sure if this is really Sophie. It is kind of fancy, you know? Yeah, I can't really see Chloe wearing this to the barn. I am going to spend more time thinking about this present. Yeah, what he said.
So that's a no on the fur coats? Did you say fur coats? I'll buy them both.
Tam, it's your lunch break. See you back here in about an hour.
I gotta go. What should I buy for Secret Santa? Excuse me. If I was buying a present for me, I would want something squishy. Squishies are the best. To the squishy store. I'm here just in time for my shift. Wow, Tamra, you're working 2 jobs? That has to be difficult. Yeah, a little, but it's all for a good cause. Welcome to Star Frogs. How can I help you?
Can I get a peppermint latte, please? Wait a minute. Didn't I just see you at the boutique?
Yeah, you know, holiday season, holiday jobs. 1 latte coming up.
Have you finished your shopping?
No. And I have no clue on what to get Anna.
Wow, it would appear that I am once again the topic of conversation. And I'm not surprised. I do kind of stand out. I was just at the jewelry store buying a crown because I give only the best. Let me guess, Sophie, you're giving homemade scarves? Anna, let me tell you something. Excuse me, I have to take this. Hello, Mother. How's Arendelle? Don't worry about Gabby and I. We're going over to Auntie's. It's gonna be fine. Love you. Smooches. Excuse me. I have to go.
Wow. Did Anna just get emotional? Is it possible she actually has feelings?
Sophie,
But am I wrong, though?
it's obvious that Anna is upset about her mom.
Hey, girls. Sorry I'm late.
I know what to get Anna for Christmas. Sorry, Carmen. Gotta go.
Welcome to Star Frogs. How can I help you? Malik.
Tam, why do I hear that you're working 1,000,000 jobs during the break?
I'm trying to buy you a Christmas present. The ultimate gaming chair 3000?
Whoa, that would be really cool. But, Tam, you're my little sis, and I can't have you stressing yourself out for me. Holidays aren't about expensive gifts. They're about family, so chill out and take a break.
Now that was just beautiful. Real fancy like a Hallmark card.
Gabby, this has to be the cheesiest card you have ever given me. But I love cheesy Christmas stuff. Thanks, cousin.
All right, everyone. It's time to do Secret Santa. Naveen, I am your Secret Santa.
Wow, thank you, Anna. It's a crown.
The perfect gift for royalty.
Thank you. It is very shiny, no?
But Anna, I was Naveen's Secret Santa.
Is that true?
Well, yeah, I had Carmen, but Naveen, you're royalty. I had to buy you a present.
Well then, Carmen, it looks like this is for you.
Thank you, Naveen. It reminds me of my last beauty pageant. And this is for you.
A guitar? This is the best present ever!
Cam, I was your Secret Santa. And I got you a jiggly-doo. It's ultra rare. I wanted it, but it's the secret of giving. So here.
Thanks.
Merry Christmas, Jade.
I love it! A giant squishy cat face.
Here, Chloe.
Cam, you were my Secret Santa? Tata from BT21, thanks.
Yeah, well, I heard you like that kind of stuff.
Chloe, if you had Jade, then who has me?
It is I, Naveen!
A Roblox action figure?
Thanks, Naveen. I love Roblox.
Well, I guess my Secret Santa forgot about me.
Anna, I'm your Secret Santa.
Even worse.
I'm gonna pretend that you didn't say that because your gift has just arrived. Merry Christmas, everyone! Look who I picked up at the airport. Where are my girls?
Mom!
Sorry I didn't get home sooner, girls.
Yep, I did that.
I'm very proud of you, Sophie.
Well, I saw how sad Anna was that her mom wasn't going to make it, so I decided to give Auntie a call. Mother, I am so glad you're here. You can thank Sophie for that. Wait, you're not going to make me do that, are you?
Merry Christmas!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
We want to give a shout out to Sarah Vernum and Sabrina. What's up? 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Thank you all for making 2018 so fabsome. Looking forward to a fabulous 2019. We love you!